In this video, I'll show you how to block your number when making calls from your iPhone. It's a very simple method, and it's incredibly useful if you're calling someone and prefer that they don't see your number before they pick up. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open Settings. First, go to your iPhone Settings application. This is the gear icon on your home screen. Step 2. Navigate to Apps. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see Apps as the final option. Tap on it. Step 3. Find your phone app. Now you'll see a list of all your installed apps. You can scroll through to find the phone app, but if you have many apps, there's a faster way. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Search Apps and simply type Phone. Then tap on the phone app from the search results. Step 4. Locate caller ID settings. Once you're in the phone app settings, scroll down until you find the Calls section. Step 4. Locate caller ID settings. Once you're in the phone app settings, scroll down until you find the Calls section. Right at the bottom of this section, you'll see an option labeled Show My Caller ID. Tap on it. Step 5. Disable caller ID. By default, Show My Caller ID is enabled, which means your number is visible to people you call. To block your number, simply toggle the switch off. Once disabled, your number will no longer appear on outgoing calls. That's it. Now, anytime you make a call, the recipient won't be able to see your number. Your calls will appear as no caller ID, private number, or blocked on their end. Note, if you ever want your number to be visible again, just follow these same steps and toggle the setting back on. Conclusion: if you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials. There's a lot to go through, and you might discover something you didn't know about. Thanks for watching.